And also welcome to the Wilson and Family Kitchen. Today we are making taquitos. So first out, you should start out with some onions. Not just any onions, sliced onions and some diced. When you start to make your pork filling, set it to medium-high heat. And also we add some peppers, but the instructions do not say for peppers, so. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook for about 3 minutes and then we're gonna add the pork. Okay, so now we're gonna add our pork. Yeah, I found a ground pork. Oh, there's this. I'm massacring some pork. So, now we put in 3 teaspoons of purple seasoning and 1.5 cup of water. Wow, that actually quite good. It just got quiet. So now while your taco meat or taquito meat is simmering, you can zest the lime for our avocado cream or sauce or cream, whatever you want to call them. Ultra guacamole. Ooh. So now we're gonna cut some avocados to make our avocado cream / whatever you want to call it. Oh, that's actually. Okay, now we put the avocado in. After that little difficult time with the pits. We're also gonna put in some tomato and onions. So we didn't cut up any tomatoes, so we're just using this pico de gallo sauce. There's also lime juice and sour cream and some mashed avocado. Okay, so now we're gonna take our almost smashed avocado and mix in some lime juice and about half of the lime zest right now. So everyone, if you have like guacamole and it doesn't, and it might expires it and / turn brown, just use lime juice. Actually, it stops it from turning brown. Now we add the sour cream. But yeah, anyways, we are now going to add some pico to it. 1 scoop. Good. Just tell me what you want. Yay. So we're gonna add this pepper to our avocado mix. And we're also gonna add some salt for a bit of flavoring. Bad dog. And yes, by the way, we have a dog whose nickname is Baby Shark. But yes, anyways. But yeah, we add this. What's the right one? Yes. Okay, so before you start assembling your taquitos, this is what we did. We started preheating the oven to 425. And so now, we're gonna start loading our taquito. Right, we have cheese. I think that's enough. Maybe a bit more. Perfect. Now we roll it snugly so it doesn't unroll in the middle of baking. and then we, oh dear. Okay, so real quick, gotta put them seam side down, and you also want them together so they don't unroll while baking, which would be, we're gonna cook our taquitos by putting them in a very hot oven. I think that's hot. 15, 20 minutes. And honestly, it really depends on how many you have. So, today we actually have some special guests. These are my friends, Callan and Liam.
Hi.
Hi. And we're gonna actually try the taquitos.
What's in it?
Pork and cheese and peppers and onions and a bunch of good stuff.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Ooh, that's good.
Good. Thank you for watching, and also make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And this has been Wilson in the Family Kitchen. It's like my class when someone farts.